Good morning everyone. As we know that this is time to be at home for safety of one and all. It is on us how we utilize this time wisely. Let us start the another topic of maths. Today we learn about ascending and descending order. Before learning that, look at the balls which has been drawn here. These are the balls, these are arranged in an order. Now we come to know that what are ascending orders. Ascending order means ordering or arranging the numbers from the smallest to biggest. Ascending order is known as the number written in smallest to largest or smallest to बिगेस्ट. जब हम किसी भी चीज़ को स्मॉलेस्ट से लार्जेस्ट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं या रखते हैं उन्हें असेंडिंग ऑर्डर कहते हैं. लेट मी क्लियर इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हियर आर सम कलर्स. सम of them are in small form or some of them are in largest form. So we'll arrange it in ascending order. So let us know what are ascending order by this color. This is the smallest one of all of them. So when you arrange a smallest one at the first and the biggest one at last, this is called ascending order. And at the second, this is the largest than the first one. At third, this is the largest than the two of them. Then fourth, this is the fourth one of largest, and at last this is all of the largest. So this is smaller than this. Black color is smaller than pink color. Orange color is smaller than blue color. Orange color is smaller than blue color. Blue color is smaller than skin color. This is skin color. Blue color is smaller than skin color. So which one is the largest color in size? Skin color. And the smallest one is in black. Look again. इसमें सबसे छोटा है ब्लैक, देन है पिंक. पिंक जो है वो ब्लैक से बड़ा है. हमें ऐसे नहीं करना है कि कोई भी बीच में आ जाए, इस तरह से नहीं अरेंज करना. हमें पहले सबसे छोटा, देन उससे बड़ा, देन पिंक से बड़ा कलर ऑरेंज, ऑरेंज से बड़ा है ब्लू, एंड ब्लू से भी बड़ा है स्किन. तो इनमें सबसे बड़ा कलर कौन सा है? स्किन. ये एक फॉर्म हो गई, ऑर्डर हो गया कि आपको इसी ऑर्डर में, जब आप असेंडिंग ऑर्डर को लिखेंगे तो इसी ऑर्डर में लिखेंगे. ओके. देयर इज अनदर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू टू नो द असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. लेट अस नो विद द हेल्प ऑफ नंबर लाइन. नंबर लाइन से हमें कैसे हेल्प मिलेगी? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन सी दैट in before and after we learned about which number comes before and which number comes after. So we will learn now again with the help of number line. Which number is smaller? Which number is smallest? 2 is the smallest number. Because 1 is not written here, so the smallest one is 2. So I'll write here 2. Because in ascending order we have to write first the smallest one. Then which number is greater than 2? Only see these numbers and tell me which number is greater than 2. After 2 which number comes? 3, 4, 5, 6. If there is written 3, अगर यहाँ पर 3 लिखा हुआ है तो आप 3 यहाँ पर लिख देंगे. अदरवाइज अगर 4 है डायरेक्टली तो आप 4 लिखेंगे. We have given here 3, so I'll write 3. Next is greater than 2 and 3 is 4. So next one is 4. Then which number comes after 4? 4 के बाद 5 आता है, but 5 हमें यहाँ पर given नहीं है. So which number is next to 5? 6. 6 is given here. So I'll write 6. Next is 7, it's not again there, so 8 is given, I'll write 8. Next one is 14. 14 is the largest number because 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8 are smaller than 14. So this is known as ascending order. Let's move to another aspect, descending order. Look it again. Here are also balls are given. Here the ball is greater. This is smaller, smaller, smaller and then smallest. This is the greatest ball and this is the smallest ball. It is the opposite of ascending order, and the definition of descending order is: descending order means ordering or arranging the numbers from the largest to smallest. From the largest to smallest. The number are going down. इसमें क्या होता है, जो नंबर्स होते हैं या जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट होता है वो नीचे की फॉर्म में जाते हैं. सबसे बड़ा, उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा, देन सबसे छोटा. Let us know it by colors. Now we have to arrange the opposite of ascending order. Ascending order के opposite में हमें इसे arrange करना है. So the greater one is, the greatest color is skin color. Then on second number there will be the blue color. On third there is orange color. On fourth there is pink color, and at last the smallest one is black. So this is descending order because we have arranged it in the largest to smallest form. बड़े से छोटे की फॉर्म में जब हम लिखते हैं या अरेंज करते हैं तो उसे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर कहते हैं, बट छोटे से बड़े की फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. आपने स्टार्ट किस साइड से करना है? लेफ्ट साइड से. लेफ्ट साइड क्या है? जैसे यहाँ पे सबसे पहले है सबसे बड़ा, उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा, उससे छोटा, सबसे छोटा. तो ये इस फॉर्म में जा रहा है, इस वे में जा रहा है, लेफ्ट से राइट. तो ये कौन सा फॉर्म हो गया? असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. ये कौन सा फॉर्म हो गया? डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. लेट अस डू प्रैक्टिस. लुक एट द नंबर्स. विच वन इज द ग्रेटेस्ट? अब डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर है तो डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में सबसे बड़ा लिखना है. सो विल राइट द ग्रेटेस्ट वन. लुक, द ग्रेटर वन इज 15, बट 15 इज नॉट इन द क्वेश्चन, so 14 is given. The 14 will be the greatest. Which number is less than 14? All are less than 14, but which number next to less at 14? 14 से बिल्कुल पीछे कौन सा नंबर आएगा? बिल्कुल पहले वाला. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 8 is given here, so we have to write 8. हमें जो नंबर्स नहीं दिए हुए हैं हम उनका ध्यान नहीं रखेंगे, हमें उनका ध्यान नहीं रखना, ओनली क्वेश्चन में देखना है कि कौन सा नंबर गिवन है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज विच नंबर इज लेस देन 8? गेट द नंबर लाइन 7 and 6, but there is given only 6, so I'll write 6. Next is less than 6 is, look at the question, less than 6 is 3, 2, 4. Which number come? 4. Next to 4 is 3. Next to 3 is 2. Now have a look on the both answers. Here is ascending order and here is descending order. दोनों पे अब देखो कि ये दोनों एक दूसरे के अपोजिट हैं. How? The smallest is 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. These are the greater than 2 and the greatest is 14. So it is written 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 14. But here is written the opposite of this answer because this is descending order. Descending order means the order which goes down. As you can see, at last there is written 14, but here 14 is written at front. Second last is 8, but here the second number is 8 in the first front part. So in this way ascending order and descending order are opposites. I hope you understood the topic. So now we'll do the exercise of ascending order for practice. Which number is smallest in this cloud? Look, 83, 42, 61, 37, 54. The smallest one is 37 because it is the least number. At second, which one will come? Which one is greater than 37? Next to 37 is 42. 4 to 42. Next to 42 is 83, 61, 54 are left. So which number has left? We will cut these numbers. Okay, 83, 61 and 54. 54 is next to 42 and then 61 is next to 54 and then 83 is the greatest number in this cloud. So I have written this. Let's do the another cloud. Here the number are given 47, 89, 39, 74 and 98. Now tell me which one is the smallest number written here. 39 is the smallest number. So I'll write at first 39. Which number is next greater to 39? 39 से जो next आएगा नंबर, जो 39 के बिल्कुल बाद में नंबर सबसे बड़ा है, वो कौन सा है? 47. So I am writing here 47. Which number will come next to 47? According to this cloud, these are cut because these have done. These three are left. Now tell me which number will come after 47? 74, 89, 98. Which number will come? 74. After 74, which number will come? 89 or 98? 89. And at last there is the greatest number, 98. Okay. Let's do another aspect, descending order. Similar way but opposite. How? In this we have to write the greater one at the first and the smallest one at the last. Which one is the greater? 20, 30, 90, 60 or 70? 90. 90 is the greater. 90 is the greatest. Which number will come after 90? Which number is next smaller than 90? 70. 70 will come after 90 because it is the next smaller than 70. 90 से बिल्कुल बाद में जो सबसे छोटा नंबर है वो कौन सा है? 70 है. 70 के बाद कौन सा छोटा नंबर है? 60. Then 30 and then 20. In this way we will do ascending and descending order, but descending order is opposite of ascending order. Let's do another cloud. Here the numbers are given 43, 85, 31, 74, 69. Which number is the greatest in this cloud? 85 is the greatest number. So I'll write here 85. 85 के बाद जो छोटा नंबर आ रहा है वो कौन सा है? Which number is smaller than 85? 74 is the smaller. So I'll write here 74. 74 इसलिए लिखा है क्योंकि बिल्कुल नेक्स्ट पे जो नंबर आएगा 85 से बिल्कुल नेक्स्ट पे जो नंबर आ रहा है वो है 74. नेक्स्ट इज there 3 numbers are left, 43, 69 and 31. Now tell me just next to number of 74 which number will come? 69. So I am writing here 69. Let's cut it. Which number will come after 69? Less from 69. 43. 43 and the least number is 31. In this way we have learned about ascending and descending order. I hope you all understood.